If there is one major crisis facing manufacturing managers, owners, and shop floor supervisors, it is tracking work orders and employee hours. All the common methods like punch clocks, handwritten timesheets, verbal communication, and educated guesses fall short. In modern manufacturing, they universally lead to delays, cost overruns, and even lost jobs. Thankfully, you can now simplify job tracking and employee timesheets, plus save time by replacing all that nonsense with just barcodes, just like the ones used in retail. With standard time automation software, just scan a few barcode labels to collect all the information needed for your work status, work in progress, employee status, and more. No complicated systems to learn, no misplaced work orders, no problem. With just a few barcode scans, Standard Time answers your most pressing questions. Where is my work order now? When can I expect my job completion? What are my employees doing now? Plus, Standard Time displays work in progress right on the shop floor for all employees to see. It answers questions like, how long do my jobs take? How long do my employees spend on jobs? Am I making any money on my projects? Standard Time is the one simple, inexpensive solution your shop needs to save time, save money, increase accountability, and deliver better results for your customers. Sign up for Standard Time today and see how easy it is to increase your productivity. We'll even help you get started.